Begin by finding a nice, comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and gently begin to tune into your breath. Nice big inhale. Hold for 1 second. Nice gentle exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold and exhale. And as you rest into your space a little bit deeper, allow your thoughts to gently float, keeping your awareness on your breath. And begin to visualize white light all around you. With every inhale, visualize dragging that white light inside of your lungs. And with every exhale, visualize gray smoke leaving your body. This gray smoke represents everything that no longer serves you. Releasing stress, releasing worry, letting go of doubt, letting go of fear. Breathe in that white light and exhale what no longer serves you. See that white light going from your lungs down into your heart space. From your heart space, it travels into your bloodstream, seeing your entire body glow with this beautiful white light. From your bloodstream, this white light is carried into every cell, every organ within your body, shining the light in all of the dark spaces, allowing the white light to break up any excess stuck energy that no longer serves you. Letting go of your day, letting go of your week, letting go of the past month. Just breathe in that white light and exhale what no longer serves you. And as you see memories begin to bubble up to the surface, allow them to gently float away with every exhale. Staying connected to your breath. Letting go of what's been weighing you down. Breathing in joy, breathing in love, breathing in bliss. And when you're ready, gently and lovingly open your eyes. the light that shines within me sees, honors, and cherishes the light in each and every one of you. Namaste.